Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Anycubic Kobra 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra is the basic model of Anycubic's new Kobra series of FDM 3D printers. It comes in a brand new industrial design and is equipped with advanced features to keep it up to date with current 3D printing standards. Anycubic's self-developed automatic bed leveling helps you with the initial bed leveling process. It makes sure that you get a smooth first layer and that your prints stick to the bed with ease. The direct extruder gives you increased control over the filaments and lets you print with flexible materials such as TPU and TPE. Its pay-coated spring steel build platform is designed for improved adhesion and the easy removal of your 3D prints. The large 4.3-inch vertical touch screen lets you easily interact with the 3D printer and makes navigating through the user interface a smooth experience. For $300, it is a bargain and a step above the Creality Ender 3 V2. It is a good choice for beginners, students, and hobbyists who need a budget FDM 3D printer that delivers good printing quality. At number 2. Anycubic Resin 3D Printer. The cost of Resin 3D printers has come down drastically within the last few years, and 3D printers like the Anycubic Photon Mono are a testament to this. The Photon Mono is a cheap, entry-level Resin 3D printer from Anycubic. It comes with a sharp 2K resolution monochrome LCD screen, which allows you to reproduce fine details. The Photon Mono has a decent build volume of 130x80x165mm. This is less than the other options in the 3D printers under $300 segment, but that is to be expected of a printer that uses 3D printer resin instead of filament. To guarantee precision and stability during the printing process, it comes with a quality linear rail for the Z-axis. The main advantage of Resin 3D printers is the superb print quality that they offer. If you are interested in 3D printing, D&amp winking and laughing smiley, minis and figurines, you are best off with a Resin 3D printer. If that's what you're looking for, and you don't want to spend too much, the Anycubic Photon Mono is a great choice. At number 3. Ender 3 V2 3D Printer. Until the release of the Anycubic Kobra, we considered the Creality Ender 3 V2 to be the best 3D printer under $300. It is a worthy successor to the popular Ender 3 and comes with an updated look and brand new spec sheet that suits the current 3D printing standards. The Ender V2 has a sturdy aluminum body with a generous heated bed of 220x220mm. It comes with a color screen with an updated UI, which lets you navigate the various functions of this budget 3D printer with ease. The addition of a toolbox, XY belt tensioners, and an extruder knob are some of the neat little things that make the Ender V2 stand out. The Ender V2 features an updated 32-bit motherboard with TMC 2208 stepper motor drivers. It also comes with a UL-certified power supply for added safety and faster heat times. On top of that, you can find great community support with tons of tutorials and guides available for upgrading your Ender 3 V2. In short, this printer has everything you would expect from a sub-$300 3D printer and then some. At number 4. Anycubic Mega S Upgrade FDM 3D Printer. Typical 3D printers under $300 have limited material compatibility because of the attends that they use. These attends reach relatively low maximum temperatures and limit the 3D printing materials that they are compatible with to PLA and sometimes ABS. The Anycubic Mega S 3D printer's attend, on the other hand, can reach a maximum temperature of 260 degrees Celsius. The higher attend temperature makes the Anycubic Mega S compatible with PLA, ABS, TPU, HIPS, PET, and even wood filaments. To complement this, it has a solid metal body with a large build volume of 210x210x205mm. You also get an easy-to-use touchscreen and a Titan extruder, which is almost unheard of for 3D printers under $300. The Titan extruder offers more precise extrusion and allows you to print better with flexible filaments. Overall, When compared to its competitors in terms of filament compatibility, what you get with the Anycubic Mega S is definitely a step above the competition. At number 5. Sovol SV01 Upgraded 3D Printer. While the Ender 3 V2 is still a good contender for the best 3D printer under $300, its predecessor, the Creality Ender 3, is a great budget 3D printer in this price class. Even though it's several years since it was first released, the Ender 3 remains a popular choice. The Ender 3 has all the functionalities that you would expect from a basic 3D printer. It comes with a build volume of 220x220x250mm and a heated print bed with a sticky built-like printing surface. It is beginner-friendly and provides a decent printing quality from the start. Since it is a popular 3D printer, there are tons of user guides, tutorials, and community forums for the Ender 3. There are many mods and upgrades available for the Ender 3, which makes it a versatile option. If you're on a budget, want a good 3D printer, and are open to fiddling a little to get good results, the Ender 3 is a great choice for you.